If you come close to hurting Eric Morales, he's coming right at you.
Part what's going on here is
Matapos paiyakin ni Pacquiao ang mga Mexican fans ng talunin si Marco Antonio Barrera, naging numero 1 sa most wanted boxer hit list ng mga Latino si Pacman.
one of the most complete fighters in the world.
Here comes Barrera's corner. Barrera's corner man is up on the apron. He's gonna step into the ring.
Manny Pacman Pacquiao.
Dahil ayaw mapahiya ng mga Mexicano, sumagot sa tawag ang nooy 30 anyos na si Juan Manuel Marquez. Kahit na bumagsak ng 3 ulit sa unang round si El Dinamita, na-expose naman ni Marquez ang kahinaan ni Pacman nang umiskor ng split draw dahil sa maling pag-score ng tutulog-tulog na hurado.
Marquez as he did on a quick left hook there. And he fires the straight left hand. Another one and another one. Pacquiao up. Third knockdown of the first round. Pacquiao is a storm. And Pacquiao knows exactly where to throw. Pacquiao speed. And the hard right hand by Marquez. Follows up with a change to make a statement as the bell gets ready to ring.
The bout is a draw.
Yung paa ko sumakit nung third round hanggang fourth round hanggang 8 rounds.
Paltos sa paa ang palusot ni Pacquiao, pero sa paningin ng mga kritiko, masyadong naging one-dimensional ang atake ni Pacman na puro 1-2 ang tinatapon, right jab, then left straight. Pero imbis na magmukmok at banata ng mga kritiko, minabuti ni Pacquiao na hasain ng todo ang kanyang kanang kamao at dito na nga isinilang ang Manila Ice. Agad na tinesting ni Manny ang bagong sandata sa yanig sa tagig nang paangatin ng 2 paa ni Naronggit Fasan Pirang sa ika-4th round.
Ang sabi nga naman dito, yes! One punch! The left hand! The left hand! Left hand! That left upper pasang in this round. Ito na naman! Goodbye! And that's it! It's over! It's over! And listen to that crowd dito.
Imbis na manatili sa 126-pound division, umakyat sa super featherweight si Pacquiao at lumaban sa bakanteng IBA World at WBC International Super Featherweight titles. Ang kanyang katapat, Eric El Terrible Morales. Hinirang na liyamado si Pacman. Galing kasi sa talo si Morales kontra sa mortal na kalabang si Marco Antonio Barrera na siya namang nilamon lang ng buo ni Pacquiao. Sa anggulong ito, tiwala ang sambayan ng Pilipino na mananaig ang bilis at lakas ng ating pambansang kamao. Ngunit ang ngiti ay napalitan ng kaba sa simula pa lang ng salpukan. Determinado si Morales na ibalik ang karangalan sa Mexico. Sa bawat atake ni Manny, may bariyang sinusukli si El Terrible. Lalo pang natuyuan ang lalamunan ng mga Pinoy fans nang magkaroon ng accidental clash of heads at nabiyak ang kanang kilay ni Manny.
Pacquiao never saw it coming. There's another left hook he took. Or maybe a headbutt.
time. Let's hit by a punch.
Agad na tinrabaho ang katsakilay ni Pacman at maririnig sa background ang boses ni Buboy Fernandez.
But it's De Jesus who's gonna reach in.
Kahit nahirap nang makakita sa tinamong injury, buong tapang pa ding lumaban si Pacquiao. Ngunit naging target na ni Morales ang damage ni Manny.
Good jab by Trevor. He uses that jab. Then found something.
Pacquiao may have
Natapos ang full 12 rounds at ibinigay ng 3 hurado ang score na 115-113 pabor kay El Terrible. Dito natapos ang 5-year winning streak ni Pacquiao at parang binalot ng niebe ang Pilipinas nang makitang naiyak si Pacquiao at si Buboy. Taas noo pa ding tinanggap ni Pacman ang pagkatalo nang may kirot sa puso at nangakong babangong muli at maghihiganti.
Yeah, I want rematch anytime, anywhere.
Makaraan nga ang mahigit 9 na buwan, dumating na ang inaasam-asam na rebanse ni Manny. Pacquiao vs Morales 2, the rematch sa Las Vegas. Bitbit ang emosyon at determinasyong makabawi. Tiwala ang mga sports bookies na sa pagkakataong ito, mananalo na si Pacman. Di nga nagkamali ang mga tirador dahil muling pinatunayan ni Pacman na siya ang original na Mexicutioner. Ito ang pagbawi ni Manny Pacquiao sa karangalan, mga idol.
When I say you must obey, touch gloves. Good luck.
Round 1, active jabs mula kay Pacman.
From Southpaw. Championships in 3 different weight classes. One of the great talents of our time.
Eric Morales actually looks completely different than he did yesterday. Roach was working
Back and forth action naman na naging bakbakan.
right hand a lot.
Filled to the rafters. Pacquiao's in trouble.
One thing he worked on was a lot more of a
Round 2, attack mode na si Pacman.
corner for Eric Morales this time. Remember, his thought as to how Eric might react tonight in a different situation.
Counter punching from Pacquiao to the body. That's
Now we mentioned the change in corners for Morales.
now up against the
Muntik bumagsak si Morales sa left straight ni Pacquiao.
Remember though, Pacquiao now's been
left hand. Morales.
only Marco Antonio Barrera had ever put Morales down, but Morales
It's furious inside that ring.
another
Huge right hook.
Round 3, tumatiming ng counter si Morales sa mga rushes ni Manny.
an unorthodox style, but he always seems to be a little off balance by giving you some different angles.
3, folks. Rounds will be flying.
Pero kitang-kita pa din ang hand speed ni Pacquiao sa mga palitan.
Here he comes on the attack.
That was a lightning. Morales shooting that jab like a laser. Pacquiao stalking.
Back to Morales and a combination to the head. Pacquiao covering up and then Pacquiao coming back. We need to find another sport to watch.
It doesn't get better than this. And
Round 3.
both fighters trying to close out the round big.
Round 4, patuloy ang double jab at left straight ni Pacquiao.
The more telling blows.
Nice combination there for Pacquiao.
The style of the fight.
Hindi din naman nagpapalugi sa palitan si El Terrible.
Good combination.
Jab and following it with the big left. He was kind of beautiful jab by Morales. Wow. Hard shots, but
Oh, good combination at the end for Morales. He's really accurate tonight. Very.
Round 5, early combo from Morales.
Round 5. Boxing at its best.
let's go to the gym and spar around.
Oh, good left hand for Morales.
The jab, and let me tell you, that's no mean feat against the south.
Oh, here it is.
So showing some movement.
Pero later that round, Pacquiao lighting up El Terrible.
Punches in this round for Morales. Look at that.
Textbook all the way around, Alan.
The only thing I ever complain about with Eric Morales. Oh, that's a good left from Pacquiao. Morales.
I know, what are the judges going to do with this round?
I have no idea.
Round 6, seek and destroy na si Pacquiao.
Back out and work the jab.
I have Manny Pacquiao up by a point.
Pacquiao. Now Manny's unleashing. Manny came out in the 6th round like he was down for part of the round now. We've been seeing these.
Hirap na si Morales sa kaliwang kamao ni Manny.
Morales gets very insulted. Oh, and a huge left hand.
Closing seconds, muntik na naman bumagsak si Morales.
You're exactly right, Rich. Oh, champion, he will dig deep, and this fight just got extremely...
Round 7, balak bumawi ni Morales.
Of his own. Manny's digging in, and there comes Morales back over the top. Morales in this arena.
This is a sheer-out war. So much pride.
Warriors. Pacquiao now on the attack. Hit it.
Well, we already have a candidate for Fight of the Year.
Pero Pacquiao closing strong sa round na ito.
Scorching hot round 7.
To him, this is just fun.
Lived in the gym. And by the way, extremely poor area.
Round 8, alatang paubos na ang gasolina ni Morales.
Slow. Morales going to the gym. There you go. Manning speed.
If you can't take away that jabbing, a great challenge.
Right hand for Pacquiao. How crafty Morales can be. He just got tagged with the right hand. This is,
Puso na lang talaga ang nagpapaandar kay El Terrible.
I really thought Morales was hurt.
He's putting 2, 3, 4 punches together. Morales' shots are punched there again, but it's one punch. Seeing Pacquiao answers back 3, 4, 5 shots.
A better show, folks. It's not possible.
This is as good as its anxiety.
Round 9, patuloy ang atake ni Pacquiao.
Get some help from somebody, but these two fighters, I may have a seizure before it's over with.
Oh, night.
They might. He's making it up as he
Welcome. And at the same token,
Uppercut.
Morales.
Paisa-isa na lang ang tinatapon ni Morales na sinusuklian ni Pacman ng 5.
Taking Freddie Richards' advice and answering with a lot of hooks.
Morales taking a lot of punishments dito.
Morales taking a breather.
Round 10, buo pa ang stamina ni Pacquiao.
A little winded.
If you would improve Manny Pacquiao, will it be enough to beat Eric Hilton?
Understands what's going on in there. He's trying to figure. These fighters are intelligent fighters. Executing their game plans is another thing. And the judges like active fighters.
Isang kaliwa ang gumulat kay Morales at ito na ang simula ng katapusan.
And we thought Morales was going down. Oh, and he does go down. Oh, and a beautiful combination.
Down goes Morales.
Oh, stoppage, Eric Morales.
Absolute bedlam in here, and you can hear it all the way to the South Pacific. Are you all right, Rich?
An amazing fight. I think I'll sit down. We had Pacquiao ahead, 87-84. And Pacquiao just unloaded. Big shots. There's that left to this. This is a guy who became more than just a powerful fighter. Here's the end of the fight.
Manny Pacquiao.
Makaraan ang kulang-kulang 10 buwan, nabuo ang trilogy na Pacquiao versus Morales. Pero this time, wala nang binatbat ang tapang ni Morales. Bueno, ito lamang po ang hatid ng Sports Manda sa inyo. Maraming salamat at God bless.
Staggered after that last left hand. And down he goes. I'll hurt him this time.
But he's a fighter. He's going to fight still. He's not going to try to run.
It's hard to imagine how Morales can last long against this. Another huge left hand by Pacquiao. And the brave heart of Morales holds up. Morales shakes his head as if to say, I want no more. That is
I never thought they could draw this people. But he's drawing people hot.
I tried my best. I don't have it anymore.